Are you a crypto enthusiast looking for the latest developments in the market? Look no further. This week has been full of excitement as Bitcoin and Ether surged in prices, instilling much-needed confidence in the market. The highly anticipated Ethereum Shanghai upgrade took center stage, allowing ETH stackers to withdraw their deposits and causing Ether's price to soar by over 9%. But that's not all. Encouraging economic data and narrowing bond spreads have also contributed to the surge in trading volumes and valuations. With both BTC and ETH breaching the upper range of their Bollinger Bands, indicating a strong bullish trend, this is an exciting time for the crypto market. Stay tuned for more updates as the market continues to evolve and adapt to changing conditions. Hello and welcome to this week's cryptocurrency update. If you're a crypto enthusiast, you're in for a treat as the markets have been buzzing with activity. Bitcoin and Ethereum have both seen significant price surges, and there have been several exciting developments that have captured the attention of investors worldwide. In this video, we'll be discussing the highlights of the week, including the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade, the surge in trading volumes, and the impact on BTC and ETH's market dominance. We'll also be discussing the traditional markets and their response to recent economic data. So, sit back, relax, and get ready for an exciting update on the world of cryptocurrency. Calling all cryptocurrency enthusiasts. This week has been filled with excitement in the crypto markets, as Bitcoin and Ether both experienced a surge in prices. The much-awaited Ethereum Shanghai upgrade was the highlight of the week, which allowed ETH stackers to withdraw their ETH deposits. This resulted in Ether's price surging by over 9%, making it one of the hottest assets in the market right now. As for Bitcoin, it has maintained its position above $30,000 and has seen a surge of approximately 9% over the past 7 days. This is a significant development, as it has instilled much-needed confidence in the market, leading to an increase in trading volumes and valuations. Apart from the crypto markets, the traditional markets also experienced encouraging economic data. Reports indicated that inflation was lower than expected, and jobless claims were higher than anticipated. The Federal Reserve may have been hoping for such signs to justify not raising interest rates again when the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, meets in May. As a result, the bond markets have responded positively, with the spread between 2- and 10-year Treasury bonds narrowing since early March. This week's developments have also had an impact on the dominance of BTC and ETH. ETH's price upswing has caused it to chip away at Bitcoin's market capitalization dominance, which has been a long-standing trend in the market. Both BTC and ETH breached the upper range of their Bollinger Bands this week, indicating a strong bullish trend in the market. The Bollinger Bands indicator is a technical tool that plots an asset's moving average and 2 standard deviations above and below. A breach of the Bollinger Bands in either direction is considered to be a significant event, in this case, a bullish one. ETH's daily trading volume spiked to more than twice its 20-day moving average on Thursday, and BTC volume breached its 20-day moving average each day this week, with the exception of Thursday. This surge in trading volume indicates that the market is growing stronger and more resilient than ever. Overall, this has been an eventful week for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. The completion of the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade, coupled with encouraging economic data, has led to a surge in prices and trading volumes. Investors can expect more exciting news in the coming days, as the crypto markets continue to evolve and adapt to changing economic conditions. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting topic. And that's a wrap for this week's cryptocurrency update. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the world of cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.